Welcome back. We all know dogs love to scratch their ears, but sometimes they can injure themselves, causing what is sometimes called a blood blister. Joining me live to explain more is Dr. James Speiser. He's a veterinarian at IndyVet. Dr. Speiser, good morning to you. There is a technical term for this type of injury. What's the name of it, and tell me, what is it?
Well, the technical term is oral hematoma, but as you expressed, it really is just a big blood blister of the ear flap. And here's what happens. Animals get some sort of irritation to their ear. It can be an infection. It could be allergies. It could be ear mites or parasites in the ear. Maybe they just get something down in the ear and it irritates them. And then they start scratching their ears, or they'll really shake their head. And particularly dogs with big, long, floppy ear flaps, they whip those things around and really hammer their ear flaps on their head, and they'll break a blood vessel between the skin and the cartilage, and then what develops is a big blood blister. Initially, it'll be like a soft swelling on the concave surface of the ear flap, and with time, it gets thicker, will scar down and turn into like a cauliflower contracture, and it can even completely occlude the ear canal, which then is another big can of worms.
What are the symptoms pet owners should look out for?
Well, certainly any sort of irritation to the ear where they're seeing that they're scratching the ear, they're seeing that they're shaking their head, those are things that will create then this particular problem. But it's very apparent when a blood blister occurs because their ear flap gets really big and soft.
When is it time to take the pet to a veterinarian to get it checked out?
You know, this particular problem, there isn't any home remedy that works.
Okay.
There's no pill or anything that we can utilize. Honestly, what needs to happen, you need to go to your veterinarian, find out what started this thing, and then there's a variety of very minor surgical procedures that can drain the blood out of there, and they'll bandage the ear to hold the skin down flat to the cartilage, and then it'll heal, and everything will turn out great.
We list the possible causes for dogs. Does the same apply for cats?
Exactly. Cats absolutely get the same problem. Certainly ear mites are a common problem, or yeast or bacterial infections, and even allergies in cats can cause them to scratch their ears and really shake their head and rub their ears really hard. That can also cause it.
Yeah, we have to remember that our pets do get allergies as well, so pay close attention to that. Okay, we're going to move on to this event that you have coming up in July.
That's right. Every July we have a pet carnival. Most of the viewers are very aware of that. However, last year, obviously, we couldn't have it. So this year it's on July the 10th. Put it on your calendar. It's going to be bigger and better than ever.
All right. Dr. Speiser, always good to see you this morning. Thank you for the advice. And for a list of services at IndyVet Emergency and Specialty Hospital, just head to our website. It's fox59.com/links. Jim, I'm going to send it over to you this morning.
All right, Daniel, do you have a dog, or were you talking about getting dogs?